Stupid Owl Productions. Start her up.
I'm Link. That nigga kidnapped Zelda, and I'm gonna beat his ass for Zelda.
Go. Oh. Oh.
Where's fucking Zelda?
Oh.
Huh? Where's
Oh.
Zelda? Where's fucking
There's a
Zelda?
piece, and there's a piece.
Where's Zelda?
Huh? 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 I'm gonna kick you.
Bitch.
Where's my money?
Where's Zelda? Where's motherfucking Zelda?
Where's my fucking money?
Zelda? Where's Zelda? Where's Zelda? Where's Zelda?
I want the money.
Where's Zelda?
Huh? Huh? Give us the money. Give us the money. Give us the freaking money.
I'm fucking Link. What is Zelda?
Yeah, come on. Come on. Just tell us. Just tell us. Tell us. We're gonna kick you.
Where's Zelda?
Cover his head. Cover your head. Cover your head.
Link, beat you up. Tell your friends, bitch. Where's Zelda?
We want the fucking money. I want the money.
What's up?
Still don't have any money. We apparently found Zelda, and he's dead.